Hello, perfume lovers. Welcome back and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. As you can see, your girl is doing fabulous. So, in today's video, I have two perfumes from the house of Paris Corner and Maison Asrar. These two perfumes have been blowing up in perfume community or perfume world. Now, my question is, are they really worth the hype? So join me while we find out together. Now, the very first one I'm going to start with is from the House of Paris Corner. It's called Taskin Wowie. And this is the box. Yeah, I just unwrapped it behind the camera. I've not sniffed it. I don't know how it smells, but um bottle wise I would say it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Look like um candy world, like candy, the blue, the pink. When you go to kids room, these are the colors, especially if it's a boy blue, is a girl pink. It gives that cotton candy vibe. Now let me spray this perfume and take you along. Let's see if it's really worth the hype. Okay. All right. The atomizer is okay. It's okay. Maybe it came out and went everywhere because there's a fan in front of me, and I don't know if you can hear the sound of the fan. Maybe that is why the fan blew it, and I don't want to blow it like directly on my face. It hurts when make me sneeze and all that. So now let me spray it again. Put my hand down so that the fan doesn't blow back to my face. Okay. Okay. I'm getting citrus. Okay, let's find the note. Okay, mandarin. You have mandarin orange. You have orange. I mean mandarin orange and orange. You have both. You have iodides. You have cinnamon, rum, orris, caramel, tonka bean, and butter. The opening is citrusy. Of course, you get the orange. Yes, you get the orange. It's kind of leaning towards another Paris Corner perfume, Voss Patisserie. It's kind of leaning towards that direction, but just that Voss Patisserie is sweeter, louder. That is what I'm getting from this. It's leaning towards that, but there's something holding it behind. Something is pulling him backward. I think it's coming from the iodides. Yeah, it's citrusy, fresh, kind of aquatic, fresh. It's spicy. That's what I get in the opening. You get that cinnamon in the opening. I don't know how I feel about this fragrance. I really don't know. Are they trying to? I really don't know what fragrance this is duping. I don't know, or what is inspired. I don't know. I'll have to find out. and see if I can get my hand on the sample size, travel size or sample size. Yeah, it's giving me that verse patisserie vibe. Um, I'm really not a fan of the opening. I don't know how the dry down is gonna be. Like after like an hour, 2 hours, how it's gonna dry down. I really don't know. Let me see how it is on my skin. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's same thing, but I don't get a lot of cinnamon. I get more of the citrus, the aldehydes, and rum with a touch of cinnamon. Hmm. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this fragrance. I'm not. I don't think it's worth the hype. As I would say. For now, after spraying, giving like few sprays, you let it sit and mature. Yeah, they tend to change. So maybe I will do that. Okay, I will let it sit in the box and let it mature for like 3 weeks, a month, or a week, a month and some weeks or days, depending on when I feel like okay, time to come out. Maybe that's what I'm gonna do. But for now, uh, I'm really not a huge fan of this. I'm not. It's if I should rate this, if I should rate this, I will give this for now 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. For sure. Where can you wear this? This is female, like feminine. I don't see a man wearing this fragrance. I don't see a man wearing this fragrance. Except he's comfortable doing that. And where can you wear this fragrance to? Or what time of the year can you wear this fragrance? For me, I would say this for me is all year round. All year round. Okay. And I can wear this when I'm going out on a brunch with my friends, or like go to a movie with my husband or with my friends, run an errand, like go to the store, pick up some groceries, yes. Or just casual wear. Yeah, casual wear. I can still wear it to office wear when I feel like it. Yes. Yeah. That's I'm not really impressed. I'm not. I'm not. But I'm gonna let it mature and I'll bring it back. Now, the last one, which is the second box, is from the house of Mason Asra, and it's called Vanilla Seduction. Okay. Let's see. Vanilla Seduction. Okay. Better be seductive, okay? Better do the job. What what we could not do. And this is the bottle. This is the box. Oh, yeah. Just like the bottle, ombre. So now let me spray this. Okay, I love the atomizer. This one, the atomizer is gold. Why do I keep tempting myself? Ooh, this one, the opening is just like the sister, the vanilla aura. Yeah, it's harsh. It's dusty. Oh, is there tobacco in this fragrance? Or is my nose giving me something different? Because I don't know. It's kind of woody tobacco and powdery vanilla. That's what I'm getting. Well, let's read the notes. We'll find out together. Okay, there's no tobacco. Why is it hash then? Okay, now this one, the notes they have plum, jasmine, lily of the valley, vanilla, brown sugar, caramel, tonka, amber, patchouli, and musk. Okay, now I'm getting the plum. Okay, now I'm getting the plum. But that opening is kind of giving me like tobacco leaf, not the tobacco itself. Tobacco leaf. That was what I just got. Not like a lot, but a pinch of tobacco leaf. Like it was strong. But now I'm getting the plum. I don't get uh the jasmine. I don't. I get plum, vanilla, brown sugar. Yeah, that's what I get. You have caramel, but I'm not getting caramel. I'm not getting lily of the valley, plum, vanilla, powdery vanilla, and brown sugar. Hmm. I really don't know how I feel about this fragrance. The sister, the sister, the opening, which is vanilla aura. The opening for that one, I feel the same way, like this, just like this, powdery, dusty in the opening, but the dry down, the vanilla in that fragrance, just like a magic, magic. Hmm. You know the vibe I'm getting for this from this fragrance. It's kind of reminding me. They don't smell the same, but kind of reminding me of the way I feel about this fragrance. It's kind of reminding me, not like it's not good fragrance, it is good, beautiful. That one I believe also have plum. That's from the fragrance is from the house of Latafa, Teriak. They don't smell the same. That's the way the plum is in that one. That is what the way this is too. Hmm. I really don't know how I feel about this fragrance. Am I impressed in the opening? No. I don't know how it's gonna perform. Um, at the dry down, I don't know if it's gonna transit to something beautiful and charming. I don't know, but for now, just first impression, I will give this 8 out of 10. I'll rate it 8 out of 10. Where can I wear this fragrance to? What year can time of the year can I wear this fragrance? For me, yes, all year round. It's vanilla perfume. You know, you can wear it in summer, you can wear it in spring, you can wear it in winter. Yes, you can layer it, you can wear it by itself all year round. Something kind of telling me, my mind just telling me, let this fragrance mature. So I'm gonna let it mature. Give it a month to mature. But once in a while, I'm gonna open the box, bring it out, spray, just to see how it's going. Um, yeah, let it mature. Maybe it's gonna change. It might not switch from 8 to 12. It may not, but we'll find out. Okay, I'll let it mature, and I'll bring it back to you. But for now, 8 out of 10. Is it worth the hype? For now, no, not really. For now, not really. But I will let you know if it's really worth the hype after it have matured. You know, it's giving all it got. Right now, I want to conclude on I want to conclude on this. That's Ken Worry and Vanilla Seduction. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna give you the final verdict if it is a 10 out of 10, if it's worth it or not. But for now, first impression, not really. Not really. So now, darling, I have a quick question. Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna pin it in the comment section, and I would like to hear your feedback. Okay, now when it comes to vanilla perfumes, which vanilla perfumes do you enjoy? Spicy vanilla, woody vanilla, or Gourmand vanilla? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, and also creamy vanilla. Let me know in the comment section. And out of these two perfume, which one did you or impressed you the most? Is it Wowie or Tasken Wowie or Vanilla Seduction? Which one are you really vibing to? Is it this or this? Or do you vibe to both? And if you don't have it, you don't have any of these perfumes, which one are you going for first? Worry or seduction? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, darling, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe. That is very important. Okay, that shows you support this channel, and you know how we do it. Love yourself, keep smiling, and keep smelling good, and I will see you in my next video.